Hey guys, this is Ken from JazTime.com. JazTime.com is an online store that buys, sells, trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so our customers can easily choose the best watch for themselves in the comfort of their own home. We offer the lowest prices anywhere online, and if you want to know the price of the watch, simply click on the links in the description below. We would greatly appreciate it if you would buy a watch from JazTime.com once in a while. Okay, so today we're going to review the Rolex Datejust 31. This is the model number 178384. We'll be going over the dial, bezel, case, crown, bracelet, clasp, and we'll talk about the movement towards the end of the video. Alright, so jumping right into the dial style I currently have in my hand here is the white mother of pearl dial. As you can see, as I tilt it against the light, you'll see sort of that different highlights on the dial being reflected off by the light because of that sort of mother of pearl style coloring. For the hour markers, we have diamond hour markers, fashioned in 18 karat white gold, similar to the hour, minute, and second hands as well. They're fashioned in 18 karat white gold to prevent any tarnishing. Similar Datejust architecture, we're at the 12 o'clock position. We have the Rolex crown logo in that 18 karat white gold as well. 6 o'clock position for the superlative chronometer officially certified text with the Rolex Oyster Perpetual Datejust name right underneath the crown at the 12 o'clock position. We have the date window at the 3 o'clock position with a Cyclops lens on top of that sapphire crystal for magnification and easier viewing of that date. You can see very easy to read that date because of that magnification. This being a Datejust watch, it is a dressier style watch. There are numerous different configurations you can get this watch in, so you can figure out which would probably be the best choice for yourself. Maybe the mother of pearl is a little bit too much and you're not really interested in that. You can also get, with the diamond hour markers, the black, blue, or silver dial. But if you're looking for something simpler, you'd like the diamond bezel that's around the dial, and you just want something a little more simple for the dial itself, then you can go with the Roman numerals or the index hour markers, with the index hour markers being luminous in the dark, meaning it has the ability to be viewed at night because it glows in the dark. And those dial style colors you can get that in is silver, pink, brown, black, white, with the Roman numerals having a special purple color as well, so additional choice on the Roman numerals. But with that said, we'll be moving on to the bezel. The specific model number, as I mentioned before, the 178384, is specific because it has the diamond bezel for the Datejust watch. Now, if you're looking for a similar combination for this, but you don't want to pay the retail pricing for this, here at JazTime.com, we do take the base model of this watch, which is a 178240, and we can make a sort of similar style watch, almost identical, for a much lower price. You can check out our comparison videos if you in the description below for the 178240 versus the retail Rolex model, and you can compare the two of the aftermarket versus the standard Rolex style. But you can view that after this video. But besides that, the diamond bezel is about 48 diamonds in total set all around the bezel. It is set in a white gold setting. You can see from the side here, nicely high polished all throughout. So diamonds are set in that beautiful white gold setting. Unfortunately, I don't have any information on the diamond clarity, as Rolex has not released that sort of information for the diamond clarity on their diamond usage for the dial or the bezel. But I believe in previous videos, after doing some digging, I believe they're around H to I or G to H. Alright, moving on to the case now. The case size is a 31mm Datejust watch. From an index finger to my thumb here, that's 31mm in diameter. Nicely high polish on the lugs of the case and on the bottom lugs as well. You can see a nice high polish as well, which really helps frame that sort of shine from the diamonds and encapsulates it fully, so you have a nice shine from the overall look from the lugs of the case to the shine from the diamonds, to that sort of little bit muted shine from the mother of pearl that just sort of contrasts with the really high shine from the diamonds. Just encapsulates it all so very well and looks very beautiful. On the side of the watch, you see we have a nice high polish matching with the high polish from the white gold on the bezel as well. The profile of the watch, not too high, will fit under your suit cuffs, dress cuffs very nicely. This is a ladies' watch though, and I actually can show you the thickness of the watch. Here we are. You can see it, about 11 millimeters thick, so not too thick, not too large of a watch profile wise. On the other side, we have the same high polish on the sides of the bracelet with the Rolex crown logo on the crown itself there. As we move on to the crown functions, we unscrew the crown counterclockwise as shown. In the standard position is where you can wind the watch. About 15 to 20 winds is all you need to get the watch started once more from a dead stop, as this is an automatic watch. Pulling the crown out to the next position will allow you to adjust the date instantaneously as shown at the 3 o'clock position just by simply going counterclockwise. See how easy it is to adjust the date. And pulling the crown out to the final position will stop that second hand at its position of the hacking movement. And that allows for precise time settings, such as to an atomic clock online. You can set it down to the exact seconds. And then you'll be able to adjust the hands bidirectionally as shown. Pressing the crown, of course, will start that second hand once more, and make sure to screw the crown back nice and tight in against the case, as you want to keep this watch water resistant. Specifically for this watch, we're looking at a water resistance of 100 meters or 330 feet. Moving on to the bracelet now, we have a Jubilee style bracelet, but this watch is also available in an Oyster style bracelet. But for the Jubilee style bracelet, we have a 5-piece link style bracelet with high polish on the center 3-piece links with sand finish on the larger outer 5-piece of the 5-piece links. You can see that beautiful contrast sort of complementing each other, bringing more shine out of that high polish just because of the contrasting of the sand finish on the outer of the links. You can see it's a full concealed folding clasp as we go throughout. You can see that continuous pattern throughout the whole bracelet until we reach the crown logo on the back there. That's actually where the clasp is located, as I mentioned, the concealed folding crown clasp. It reveals to open up a nicely high polished clasp blade with the Rolex name embossed on there. So that's how it looks opened up. And then closing once more, nice curvature of the clasp to fit underneath the wrist comfortably. Alright, moving on to the movement now. The movement is housed in this oyster case backing. The movement itself is a 2235 style, is a 2235 movement. It's an in-house made movement by Rolex. It's a perpetual mechanical self-winding movement with a precision of -2 + 2 seconds a day, which is within Swiss specs. That's why they have the subtext at the 6 o'clock position printed there with the superlative chronometer officially certified, as they do like to boast about their COSC certification. The functions of the movement is for the standard hour, minute, and seconds hand with instantaneous changing of the date with rapid setting, and the stopping of the seconds hand for precise time setting, as I've shown you with the crown functions. The power reserve of this watch, you're looking at a standard 48-hour power reserve, meaning you can put this watch down on a Friday evening, pick it back up on a Saturday afternoon, and be keeping time just fine. Alright. So unfortunately, I won't be able to fit this watch on my wrist. This is a ladies' watch. Typically, a ladies' watch fits a 6.5-inch wrist. But if you're interested in this watch or any other model for the lowest possible price, check out our website at JazTime.com. The lowest price is guaranteed. We offer a 1-year warranty. And if you like the video, please like, comment, subscribe below. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you guys soon.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to model as seen in video, click on it, and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at JazTime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazTime, plus the brand, model, and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.